Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make stir-fried chicken with green beans. The first thing we need to do is prepare our green beans. What I always do is cut the end of the green beans, and this is about a half pound of green beans. And after I remove both ends of the green beans, I will cut the green bean in half. And this will be bite size. The second ingredient is the garlic. We will need to pound the garlic. After we pound the garlic, we will separate it from its shell. And now we could finally chop it. We will continue to chop it until it becomes finely minced like this. Now let's prepare our chicken. Here I have about 1/4 pound of chicken, and we will thinly slice it. Now that we're done cutting the chicken, we will clean our hand and start the cooking process. We will turn the stove to medium and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil into a large shallow pan. Once the oil is heated, we will add in our garlic. And we will stir fry the garlic until it becomes slightly golden brown. After the garlic reaches color, we could add in our green beans. And we will continue to stir fry the garlic and the green beans until it becomes nice and bright color green. To flavor the green beans, we will add about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. After we add the soy sauce, we will continue to stir fry the green beans with the sauce. Once it's reached this bright green consistency, we could turn off the heat and put the green bean aside. When we remove the green bean from the pan, as you can see, there are some oil, so leave it in the pan so we can use it for the meat. Now let's start cooking the chicken. In the same pan, we will add about 1 teaspoon of oil. Since we have oil from the veggie, this is all the oil we would need. Now we could add in our minced garlic. And we will stir fry it until it becomes slightly golden brown. Once it's reached slightly golden brown, we can add in our thinly sliced chicken. We will stir fry the chicken until it becomes partially cooked. Once it becomes partially cooked, we could add in our oyster sauce, which is about 1 tablespoon. We could also add in about 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, one teaspoon of chicken base mix, and we will continue to stir fry the chicken with the seasoning until the chicken is fully cooked. Once the chicken's fully cooked, just like so, we will move it on top of the green beans. Our stir-fried chicken with green bean is done, guys. This dish could be eaten with a bowl of rice or could be eaten alone. For me, I like to eat them with some steamed rice or some noodles. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.